Okay, let's look at this problem where we add an item to the end of the list. Right, so this should be easy. Right, so we do lst dot append, right, and we just add in the item and then return the list. Okay, lst, and it should basically work. Okay, so let's just run the code. Okay, let's submit it first, and then we go and check the solutions of what others have done. Why is this not working? It takes a while now sometimes. Okay, finally. Okay, let me go over here to the solutions section. Basically list plus item. Okay, append list, something like that. People have done something similar. Okay, great. So that's how we solve this particular problem.